Welcome to DimensionU Teachers. This tutorial is specifically designed for educators using the DimensionU Teachers app, a management tool allowing you to create DimensionU game rooms and set curriculum for your students. Creating game rooms is quick and easy with the Teachers app when using the DimensionU website or by installing the Teachers app from the App Store on your mobile device. To get started, you'll simply press the Create New Game Room button. First, you'll need to enter a room name that is easily identifiable to your students. Next, you'll create a password for your game room. This ensures that only your students are able to enter. Passwords can be as short as a single letter or number. After setting the password, select your room type, or the game you'd like your students to play in. You can see here your options are TowerStorm, Meltdown, and Velocity. Next, set the maximum number of players allowed in the room. We have a 16-player limit per room, but if you have additional students, you can easily create additional rooms. The Start Game menu allows you to select the number of students needed to join the game before it will begin. A manual start option is also available, allowing you to start the game at your discretion. Next, choose the length of time for your game, which can range from 5 to 20 minutes. We offer two game modes, a free-for-all or a team game. The team game option is only available when you use the Teachers app to create rooms for your students. In the team game mode, students will play and earn points individually, but also for their team. Lastly, you have the option to set the curriculum for this game room. Selecting curriculum will automatically override any selections that a student made upon launching the game. Keep in mind that selecting curriculum is not required and should only be used if all students in the game room are practicing the same content. Once complete, you'll press Create Game Room. Game rooms will stay available for 15 minutes. If students do not join the room, it will be removed. At any time before or during a game, you can click the game room to check the students who have entered and their scores. You can also end a match at any time. If you need additional game rooms, you'll press Create New Game Room and repeat the process. Your student can join the room by launching the correct game, pressing play, and search. They'll then choose the room you'd like them to join, enter the designated password, and wait for you to press Start Match if you chose Manual Start. Notice that you have the option to check who is in the room, their score, and if a student joined the room by mistake, you can eject them. We hope you enjoy this management tool from DimensionU. Good luck and game on!